So the only way you can fix Snapchat media upload problem will be open your Snapchat, open a random chat. Okay, now from here open your camera. You need to click image from your camera, and then you need to open this text. Just press something, just type anything you want. All right, now send this. So by sending like this, there will be no media upload. But however, if you try to upload something from your gallery, right, if you upload something from your gallery, then unfortunately Snapchat will put a media upload logo. You cannot fix that. That's part of Snapchat. All right, this is Snapchat basically wants you to upload or send pictures like this, all right, with the front camera. So that's what Snapchat is for. If you don't upload like this, then unfortunately the media upload logo will be there. All right, this is the only solution. Thanks for watching and have a great day.